Hey everybody, I got a new one for you here. So if you've ever gotten a guitar back from paint and you gotta put in the grommets for the bridge piece, um, sometimes you gotta remove paint. And I wanted to show you how I do it without making a mess of things. So here's the hole right here, and this is the grommet that's got to go in there. And I don't feel comfortable just pushing it in because it might crack the paint and I don't want to risk it. So what I do is I've got this. I get it from the hardware store, and I actually go by hand like this until I get a nice seam around the edge that is bigger than the bottom of this. Then I also have a drill bit that's the same. This is a 7/16, which is pretty much the same size as that. And I will, by hand go around and cut the hole a little bit. I guess part of the trick is I never do it with a machine, because going slow and steady gets it done pretty well. So anyway, I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll show you the next step. Thanks. Okay, so I've got the hole beveled out, and as you can see on the skinny end here, you can see a little bit of white around the edges, which means it's not going to that it's going to clear. If you flip it around to the bigger end, that just barely fits, so we should be good. Next, I'm gonna put it on the press, and never forget that you got to put your ground wire through this little hole right here. So I will have that done as well. Okay, so here I am at my drill press, and as you can see, I've got some padding down so I don't scratch up the guitar. And then I also have put in this really big drill bit, and have put it in upside down to be my press piece. And what I do here is I line this up. And yes, I have my ground wire in there. Gotta center this a little better. Give it a little push. That was the ground wire. Right at this spot where the bigger part's going to go in, I want to be firm but slow. There, it's starting to slip in finally. There you have it. This is not the best lighting, but it's a nice clean look. And now I'm going to rinse and repeat and do this other side here, and should be good to go. Okay, here's better lighting real quick, and I polished it up a little bit. There you go.